Even in hell, hope can flower. How beautiful is that? I wanted to talk about this book specifically, so I picked up certain quotes from the book and added my point of view on that. So here I go. Every moment is a choice. Every listening is a choice. Every action is a choice. Then they become your choice. And that's what shapes you. Every moment is a choice. The moment you decide to start a business, you're choosing excitement over sleep, creativity over comfort, and let's be honest, sometimes chai over sanity. Chai for every kalesh or joy. Do you agree? Every listening is a choice. As women entrepreneur, we hear a lot. Are you sure you can handle this? Maybe you should not take it as much as it coming to you. Opportunities तो आती रहेंगी, किसी को तो ना बोलोगे. What about work-life balance? The only balance I know is balancing my hot cup of coffee while typing emails, holding my plate tight while I take calls, and holding my glass tight when I listen to your patriarchal remarks. The next quote is, suffering is universal, but victimhood is optional. I'll repeat, suffering is universal, but victimhood is optional. Ever had a Wi-Fi breakdown while conducting a Zoom meeting? That's the suffering. But ranting about how technology has ruined your life is called victimhood. The choice is yours. No one can make you victim but you. Like when I choose to wake up early in the morning to work out or to work, but scrolling my Instagram continuously and I complain I have no time. Who's the villain here? Not the algorithm. If you look at, this is also the quote from the book, if you look at your birth certificate, does it say life will be easy? Do you think life will be easy? Birth certificate tells that? Not at all. But it also doesn't say you'll spend half of it figuring out how to unsubscribe from those spam emails. Do you suffer that? This one is my favorite and it's so true to what I do in my life. Work has set me free. So she becomes a psychiatrist, so that work of healing people has set her free, so has my work. I have well thought of work has completely set me free. I survived countless ranting of moms, their continuous bargain for fees, 50 रुपए कम कर दो ना, sibling discount दे दो ना. I survived all those unpaid teaching sessions and the clients who say, I love your teaching style, but आपसे हमको visibility मिलेगी ना. And when I ask payment for my Instagram story, they say एक story तो है share कर देना. When you stop doing what's best for you and start doing what someone else needs, you create consequences for yourself. Like when I said yes to doing a child's homework and writing their speeches just to keep that enrollment intact. Next one, time doesn't heal. What you do with your time is that what matters. Time doesn't heal. It's what you do with time that matters. Have you ever related breakups and new haircuts? People think that a new hairstyle can heal a broken heart, but do you think it's going to make you feel worse? चाहे ex भूल जाओगे, but haircut बुरा ही लगेगा. Celebrating victories is the true small wins. We are so busy chasing the big success that we often forget to cheer for the small victories, like sending an invoice before the client asks for it, or remembering a meeting without a reminder. That's so true for me. Small wins keeps us going, and let's be honest, sometimes they are all what we have got. It's a choice to realize we are living out prayers that we once uttered. The last one, and my favorite, and to all the ladies out here, the best choice is what I discovered through this book is believing in yourself. Because if we wait for the world to choose us, we'll be waiting forever. Just like that online package that never gets delivered in time, especially in the time of need. So ladies, make bold choices, listen wisely, and never let anyone else choose your limits. Because every moment is a choice. Even this one, where you chose to listen to me instead of scrolling your Instagram. Every moment is a choice, whether it's how you react to failure, or how you handle the unexpected chaos, or how you find humor in our struggles. We get to decide. And the best part, we can always choose to laugh about it later. Ladies, choose progress over perfection, fun over frustration, and most importantly, choose yourself. Thank you.